Okay, freelancing is a popular job option because of its freedom and how easily people can acquire job offers. Unlike other regular jobs, as a freelancer, you are your own boss because you can choose to accept requests from people to work on a project for them or not. So, Indeed is the most famous or well-known job ad platform in the world. Also in the US, name it, I work with different nationalities and countries. Indeed ang lagi nilang ginagamit. So I use this basis or reference for us to understand freelancing in general na ito pala ay isang trabaho, profession na mas business ang aspeto niya kaysa sa work. Paano nangyari yon? Pagka kasi sinabing freelancing is marami kang projects. Pwedeng yung isang project mo is about graphic design. Pwedeng yung isang project mo is about social media management. Yung isa, email marketing. Yung isa, sales. Yung isa, yun. Dun nagkakatalo. Okay? Ang freelancing kasi, imposibleng freelancing ang tawag dyan kung isa lang yung work. Right? So, if you have one work, that's employment, usually. Okay, pero pagka marami kang projects na accepted siya in the online or digital world, that means you're a freelancer. Okay, pwede kang maging digital nomad. Ibig sabihin ng digital nomad, you are working with flexibility at home, everywhere actually.
Sir kami laging